Recently, I uploaded a fresh set of my Wireshark profiles to GitLab, and I've gotten quite a few questions. Instead of answering them individually, I thought I'd record a series of videos explaining my workflow and use cases. Come with me for a deep dive into the mystical world of Wireshark display filters. In case you're wondering, display filters in Wireshark allow us to focus on specific sets of packets, saving time and refining data collection. It's like having a finely tuned net that catches only the most delicious packet snacks. I'm going to go over them in the same order they appear in the profiles, starting with $color. What's up with the $, and why color? Let's tackle that one concept at a time. First, I love categorizing things by color. It helps my neurospicy brain. So I've used display filter syntax to create a color rule set that tells me what's relevant about that packet. The color rule name starts with its category, and all rules in the same category have the same color, mostly. W is for weird, a little hat tip to the Zeek weird log. T is for troubleshooting, N is for note to self, etc. Many times I want all the packets with the same color rule. Now I could go to the packet detail pane and expand the frame section, scroll down to the coloring rule name field, and drag and drop it into the filter input. Or I could right-click on that field and choose Apply as Selected. Or I could slide to the right to find the color rule column in the packet list and drag and drop it into the filter input. These are all perfectly fine ways. But if I'm already on a packet with the color rule I want, I can just click the $color button. Second, what did I do to create that button? That's where the $sign comes in. If you hover on the button, the syntax I used and a mini explanation from that button's comments pop up. The filters are called field reference expressions. Essentially, a field reference expression filter is crafted using the value of the field referenced inside of the curly brackets. That means Wireshark pulls data from the current selected packet to use as the filter value. Pretty cool, right? There are many of these filter reference buttons as we go along in the series. I like to use them. But wait, it gets better. Once you've gotten the hang of it, applying these filters can enhance your workflow dramatically. Finally, while the world of Wireshark display filters might initially seem daunting, with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Transform the vast seas of packets into manageable ponds where every ripple and bit makes sense and can tell a story. Whether you're a packet rookie just starting out or a seasoned packet detective contemplating the next layer of complexity, remember, every filter is a tiny window to a vast world of packet insight. What treasures will you uncover today? Until next time, I'm Betty DuBois. Welcome to the Art of Packet Analysis.